Back in the shop. It's Friday. Let's see here. What do we want to do today? What do we want to do? I know that I've got the 350. It's going to come out the machine, go in the washer. I got the washer already heated up, everything like that, ready to go. Pull it out, put the freeze plugs and cam bearings and all that in it. And the customer's ready to come get it. I told them around 3 o'clock, just come up here. Everything will be done with that. So there's that. The 440s are both on hold. One being I have a crank that I had to sub out and it didn't get done this week. And I have the block that I just took down there yesterday. So hopefully he'll get around to doing that. The LT1 is on hold because he also has the block to that. So all my parts came in. I've got all the parts for the stroker. I got all the parts for the 440. Everything like that. Both my valve trains, both my comp cams are here. Let's see. What else is it? So I think I'm going to get the rod size and get all those kits as far as I possibly can get them. Is what I'm going to try to do today. I might call him and tell him, and I'm going to call the warehouse and see if they have a 440 crank kit, which is a long shot, but they might. And if they do, I'm just going to order that and turn that crank in for a core so I can go ahead and build that motor. So I'm not dead in the water on 3 motors. Yeah, so let me call the warehouse and do that. And then I'll come back and totally go over what's going on today. Anyways, whoosh. All right, so that idea was a bust. So back to where I'm at, just dead in the water on 3 motors at the moment. So what I'm gonna do, like I said, was get all the parts that I do have, because like that stroker kit, I've got the rods and the crank, so I can at least size the rods. I can get all the measurements for the main, so as soon as I get the block, I can measure it. Because I'll have to bore and hone it and then measure the bearings, and we can have everything else ready just to bolt onto it. Just, I guess, prep it. I'm going to prep everything. Yep. I can't do anything with the Mopar because the crank has to be turned. The other Mopar is not I can size the rods on it. Maybe. I'm resizing the rods on that one. So, yeah, I can do that. I can do the rods on the other Mopar. 440. And what else do I need to do? What else is going on in here? Well, it looks like if I get everything I'm talking about done, that I'm going to start on the, I believe that is, it's not an Oldsmobile, no, it's a Jeep. It's an AMC 360 I have that will be next. So I might start tearing it down today if I get all that done. We will see. And I guess I could do like an unboxing. All right, I got a lot of stuff. It all came in one package, but it's for 2 different builds, and I figured while I was sorting it out and figuring out what goes to which build, I would actually show you what I bought. That open. I guess we can kind of, how do I want to do this? I think I'll move this back a little bit. All right, there's gonna be a moment, a pause going on here, because I'm gonna get things set up, actually get it set up, because I thought that's how I was gonna do it, but it's not gonna be how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it a little bit differently. That way there, you can see it on this, and then there'll be 2 angles. That's what we're doing. All right. Anyways, like I was saying, I've got quite a bit of stuff. They packaged it all up in the same box, so I've got to sort it out, and I figured while I'm sorting out, I just go over what I've ordered, what I got for these 2 kits. It's the LT1 383 stroker that I'm doing, and the 440 Mopar, all in one box. Other than the comp cam stuff and the rotating assembly and all that good stuff. But I'm gonna bring it up here, separate it out, show you everything I got. Let's see here. We got the MS 960 100, 413, 426, 440. So that is going to be our intake manifold, I believe is what it is. Yeah, manifold set for the Mopar. So I've already went through this box and checked everything off. I just need to separate this box and then make sure I have the rest of the stuff. Because it came in at 2 different times. More or less, all this stuff was in a box up at the warehouse to pick up, but there was more stuff that needed to show up, so it is what it is. This is gonna be my gasket set for the 383. That's gonna be the main bearings, I guess. I don't know that part number. I'm gonna say it's the Mopar, especially being I don't know the part number. Yeah, it's our main bearings for the Mopar. Big old journals. Serious bunch, but usually it's MB. I guess Mopar Still Power labels it different for Mopar than Chevrolet, because like it'll be CR and MB typically on the part number. Freeze pump kit for the Mopar. M155 is gonna be the Chevrolet oil pump. M63 Mopar oil pump. Rings. It's definitely gonna be Mopar because the rings for the 383 will be in the kit with it. 2 of these bottles of lube. I'm gonna have to. I think I'm about listing these for sale because I use the Joe Gibbs like driven engine assembly grease when I build motors. So I don't ever use these. So I got like a boat ton of these. I don't know if you see them. I'll knock a few off the shelf. But I have more than enough of these things. So I'm thinking about starting selling them for like $1 a piece or something like that. Give them away for free. I don't really care. I don't use them. See, CR. Connecting rod bearings. So that'll be for the Mopar. Again, anything for the kit's gonna be over that way. What do we got here? This is gonna be the bottom, yep, the bottom gasket kit. And then our main, not our main bearings, cam bearings. So we got a CH8, which is your Chevrolet. PD17 for the Mopar. And that box is done. Now on to the fun stuff. I'll go over this stuff, but I'm not gonna pull it out the box because it's not time to build it yet. Clean this table off. Alrighty. So yeah, buddy, like when you get a complete, let me move some of this stuff because we went through this, we got separated. This can be sat out the way because it's not time for any of this to be used. We got everything for the Mopar right there now. You know what? Let's not do this one first, considering I got all this stuff for the Mopar over there. I still got a couple things to go through with this one. Let's do this right here. And this will be beside it. 383. Alright, let's get the fun stuff. It's that same thing again. Whoop. Ta-da! But the fun stuff, it's a whole cam and lifter, everything valve train kit. Huh. So you got your valve stem seals, you got your retainers, you got your locks, you got your timing set, your valve springs, your lifters, and then your camshaft. Yeah, buddy. Well, we're gonna be running this one. So I'll actually have a video of this one idling to show you exactly what this one sounds like. Let's get all that back in there. I did similar kits, like far as like the parts that you get with both of them. So everything for the 383 will be like this, but it's different stuff. Like this is a flat tappet. Pretty sure I went with a roller on that one. That kit was way more expensive than this kit. But we're gonna try to make that LT1 actually make some power because they're garbage from the factory. On to the second kit, the 383. This one is gonna have an amazing look. I did not go with a roller, did I? I dropped roller, yeah I did. The picture is not the picture of the, okay. You put flat tappets on the picture, freaking me out. Anyways, again, valve stem seals. Those, I probably will not use those. I'm probably gonna go with a different valve stem seal than that. Anyways, locks. Again, your retainers. They're still boxed. Again, I'm not opening anything as far as this goes because I'm not using it yet. Springs, lifters, and camshafts. This was an amazing sounding camshaft. I looked a video up of someone else who inserted one. But it's a 074668 with a 113 lobe separation. It's got the lift. It's 570, 565. Where's my rocker arms? This is supposed to have rocker arms with it. This kit was supposed to have rocker arms. It's supposed to have 1/6 rocker arms. I'm gonna have to call them and figure out why I don't have that. That's aggravating. This is why you go through everything. Before I continue, I'm gonna make some phone calls to figure out why I don't have rocker arms in this kit. Another vlog has come to an end, which means it's time to smash this like button right here. Click on the share button over here. Share this vlog with anybody you think might find it interesting. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the vlog. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell. That way there you'll get the notifications, and we will talk with you later. Whoosh!